picture.
Even the most cautious and careful drivers cannot control events outside of their vehicles. That's why numerous road users experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now they can actually do something about it and use cameras to help identify dangerous drivers. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey. But with several companies offering dash cams, are you confused which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K Dash Cam, today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera that can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology helps to get unmatched clearer footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving location and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K Dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry, parking mode, motion detection, 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-mo video, and supports up to 128 gigabytes, Class 10 U3 speed micro SD card. This dash camera for cars is backed by a full 1-year warranty. Or if you're having any doubts, it comes with a full refund within 30 days. So choose the Rove Dashcam to secure your drive to a safer future.
People are spending increasingly more and more time in their cars, and as driving incidents have increased, people are turning to dash cams to protect them and their family. Nanda, the leader in connected devices, has developed the newest member of its Zeus connected car system, the Zeus Smart Dashcam. Zeus Smart Dashcam has one of the largest lenses on the market and records crystal clear full HD footage. It boasts a 140-degree wide-angle lens, which means the Zeus Smart Dashcam is able to capture up to 3 lanes at a time. And if you have the unfortunate experience of getting in an accident or even just a hard break, the built-in G-sensor will automatically begin the emergency recording feature. With the Zeus Smart Dashcam, you simply download the award-winning free Zeus Smart Driving Assistant app and you are ready to go. Its unique design allows for more efficient airflow patterns to reduce the camera's internal temperature. The Zeus Smart Dashcam was built to withstand all types of conditions and will never overheat. Just like all Zeus connected car system products, the Zeus Smart Dashcam is designed with the highest quality materials and built to be low profile and durable. Keep you and your family safe while driving with the newest member of the Zeus connected car system, the Zeus Smart Dashcam.
Is the VAVA Dashcam, and this is what happens when you don't use it.
Lady, what are you doing?
What am I doing? You just backed up into me.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you did.
Prove it.
Did anybody see this?
Did you know that a car accident happens every 3 minutes, every day? Which is why we built the Vava Dash, a dash camera designed for drivers everywhere. Whether your car is on or off, the Vava Dash is there to protect.
Hello, ma'am. I saw you were on the phone.
Oh, no, I wasn't on the phone.
Can you prove it?
It's always recording when you're driving. Automatically record any unexpected activity when you're away from the car.
Oh, milk duds.
Swivel it 360 degrees to capture every angle and shot with ease. Videos can be captured on the Vava Dash mobile app and uploaded to Facebook or sent via email.